We've got a 2004 Arctic Cat 400, and this is how you change the starter solenoid on it. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take off your seat. The latch is up under here. Let me see if I can get my light. The latch for it, the seat is right here. So you can take and you move your seat. Yeah, undo your seat. Then you're gonna undo your positive wire so that there's no electricity flowing through your system. Then come back over here, so you're on your right hand side of the machine. Come under here. I've already taken mine apart mostly, or got them mostly undone. So what you're gonna do, let me get my light better, is you're gonna have two screws right here, two Phillips head screws. So take and you undo this one, put your screw aside, undo your other one, put your screw aside, and then these just come off, and then this is just held on. Your actual solenoid right here is just held on by two metal pegs right here. So you take that off. Yours will probably be connected up here at the top, right here, like this. And so when you turn it around, there's a little clip on the back side of this. So you just pull this up and then pull it out. You might have to wiggle it just a little bit. If not, you can put a flathead and pull this under. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your new one. You're going to plug this in. Let me get that plugged in real fast. So plug this in. Push it until you hear it click. Sorry, it's a little bit hard with one hand. On there, and you're just gonna give this a push. There we go, it's all the way down. And then you're gonna take, and here's your little pegs I was talking about. There's one right here and one right here. There's little brackets on the side of this thing. Let me show you. Right here, there's little brackets. See the little things, you're gonna push the pegs through there. Back into here. So get those little black pegs and you're just gonna push them right on like this. So I got it started. You just slide it back on there till those little metal pegs are sticking out. I'm sorry to keep pushing, it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard with one hand, there we go. So you can see both these pegs are sticking out the back side. Then you're gonna take your cap off here. It's just a little pinch right here, pinch, and pull it off. And then you're gonna take and you're gonna put your wires back on here. Mine are screwed down a little bit. Screw off, I'm gonna put this back on here. And then I'm gonna start it. Get it started. There we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna tighten this one down real fast. So I've got this one tightened down. Now I'm gonna undo this other screw so I can get my other cable hooked up. So I got it undone. Take this cable, put it back down. You just put it right back on here and tighten it back down. And that's how you change it. If you have any questions, let me know.